Guess who I'm gonna play as?
You're gonna play as Commando because you have nobody else.
There's all these characters that I have. I can play.
I
all
should
of them.
play. Should I play as Handy, Sniper, Chef?
Chef. Play as Chef.
All right.
Yeah, I'm Donnie.
I'm Hunter.
And welcome to Risk of Rain. It's the game.
All right. Heck. There we go. Welcome to Risk of Rain.
I forgot what keys I needed to use. Okay.
WASD and others. Oh, it appears that Hamachi runs smoother than Evolve does, actually.
Yeah.
Look at that. Alright, do you have enough to buy anything?
I got all the money. Oh, I'm just one short of being able to buy this one. I
So
have 24. Alrighty. Yeah, it's been forever since I played this game.
So it's the same for me.
So, how have you been?
Ah.
So, is that yes?
What?
Is that yes? Is that yes to how you've been?
Alright, go. Let's go buy that thing. Since you got the money for it, you'll get it. Alright? There you go. Just choose. I'll get my own, because
Well, when do I choose?
Just choose one.
I'm gonna choose the ball. How do I accept? Oh, I just pressed it again. Oh, I retaliate. I'm taking heavy damage. That's actually that's pretty good.
Oh yeah. To be perfectly honest, I should have just like put it on.
Easy.
No, not easy. That'd be too easy.
I haven't played this game in like a year. You were playing this game like yesterday.
I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
I was playing it today.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
I
even
just
closer
started
then.
playing it.
Okay. Yeah. I did no preparation for this, so I'm just gonna be awful this entire series or whatever we're doing with this.
Oh, it'll be.
We can make it a series. We can make it a series of me getting all the characters.
Oh, that could work.
Yeah.
Of
Episode
course, it'd
1.
take forever. Alright, let's see. Give me the glowing meteorite. Yeah! Guess what I can do now? I summon rocks from the sky.
I do too.
I don't.
I do in real life.
I don't.
Yes.
I may have happened like once in dinosaur era, but
I still can't believe you killed my people. You killed all the dinosaurs.
we don't talk about it.
See, it wasn't a meteorite like many people think. It was actually Hunter. I'm ready.
We don't talk about it.
Are you ready? Because I am.
Ah!
I'm just gonna hide. Don't worry, I'll help. I just rolled. I just rolled into a hole. Boom. Yay, we did it. You're welcome, Hunter. Hunter,
What?
welcome for my help. Yeah, you're welcome.
By the way, I'm letting you have all this stuff because you're new.
Yeah.
Joe, oh, god dang it.
Oh,
I was gonna get that one.
I'm sorry. Here,
Choose the yellow vial thing.
I'll jump out of the way. There you go.
There we go. Now I throw things faster.
Oh, sweet. So, if you were
Oh,
actually, like, in this scenario in real life, what would you do?
I'd probably grab the nearest cooking appliance I have and beat enemies to death with it.
Makes sense.
Like a blender.
What's a wolf? What's the wolf belt? Ah, cool.
That goes hand in hand with lens maker glasses.
What do those do?
Hmm?
What do those
These
do?
over here. They increase your critical strike chance.
Oh, then I'll have to get those.
Just, yeah, buy these.
Sweet.
And I'll get this too.
The same exact thing.
Yeah,
Whoa, you're all like yellow and stuff. What?
that's what the yellow vial does. It's a
that's
soldier's syringe. I love it.
Don't you just love how I'm like picking up all the, all of the loot,
Yeah,
and you're doing like all the actual
I
work?
turned on item sharing
Oh, okay.
so we wouldn't have to really worry about it. All right, come on, let's go.
Oh, all right. I should see if I can set up my my gamepad.
Whoa,
Instead.
Donnie! It says that you're all the way up in the upper left corner for me.
What? I'm not.
Donnie, what's happening?
What if I am though?
Donnie, you're scaring me.
Surprise.
Now it says you're in the bottom right corner. What's going on? I can hear you shooting. Up there you are.
Hi.
Hey. Coming. I'm coming to save the day.
Who's that in the sky? Is it Hunter? Is it? Oh, it's Hunter.
It's Chef Boyardee, the robot. Coming with his multiple meat cleavers. Gotta scoot out of the way because I'm about to die. I should have gotten tough times instead of smart shopping.
See, you're doing all this like efficiency stuff, like, oh, I gotta get this item so I can get this item faster and like, you know, play it well, and then, you know, I'm just sitting here like, you know, and that was lag. Well, the Skype call dropped. Technical difficulties.
Oh hey, did you crash?
No, but my Skype call, or the Skype call did for me. Are you still in the game?
What?
Wait, we're both still in the game, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're still in the game.
I don't even remember these from like playing it before. I don't remember this area actually.
You probably just got a different area, because from what I remember, there are two different second levels. There's I forget what it's called.
I used to play this a lot though. So
You played it a lot, but you haven't gotten a single character yet.
no, it's just because I used to play this on my old laptop, and now it's like, all right, I'm playing it on my new desktop, and the saves don't transfer, and so yeah.
Did you have the Enforcer or something?
Yeah, I think so. I got up to like the Enforcer.
So.
Hey, Hunter. Actually, no, it's not time.
Hey, Donnie, grab this key. Hurry.
Oh, okay.
Unlocks all chests and vision.
Alright, I'm gonna use it now. Hunter, have you returned?
Alright, I'm back.
Alright.
Are you alive? Yeah, you're alive.
No, I'm dead. I died.
Don't worry, Chef's coming to save the day.
Chef Boyardee in the house. Dang, what was that?
Hmm?
What was that?
My fourth ability upgrades 3 of my first 3 abilities.
Whoa.
Only temporarily, though.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Oh yeah, I love it.
I just noticed how tall you are compared to.
Oh god!
Oh, Hunter! Chef, no! What do I do now?
Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart still goes on. Alright, enough of that.
I hit the ground really hard.
Hit the ground running.
Alright, well, this was
Alright,
a fun first
now
episode.
we can do this, wait, already?
Yeah, we'll end it and then start it again.
Okay.
Alright, this was a fun first episode. Thanks for watching. Oh no!